Hey everyone, let's learn about static members in Java. This is Sophia here. What is static members? Assume that we want to define a member that is common to all the objects and accessed without using a particular object. It is common to all the objects, but we can't access using a particular object. That is a member belongs to the class as a whole. Those static members are belong to the class rather than the object created from the class. Okay, so this is the static members. You can see static int count. The count is a static variable. Static int max. This is the static methods. The member that are declared static are known as static members. Static members are associated with the class itself. These are associated with the class rather than individual objects which we have created from the class. So, static variable is also known as class variable. So, this count is also known as class variable, and the max here is known as class method. So the static method is known as class method. Let's learn from the programming. Here is the program which I have created already in Java. So this is the project named Java Fundamental Demo, where I create a class inside this package named Sophie, named as math application. You know how to create a class. Right click here, new class, then give the class name and tick it, then finish. Okay, so this is the math application. The class name, main class name is math application. So here I define a class name as math operation. Then I define two methods, static method. Static double, this perform the multiplication operation and this perform the division. Mul double x double y, return x star y, and divide double x double y, return x by y. This is the static method. But here in this main method, instead of we creating the object or instantiating the object from this class, we can access this directly from the class name itself. Look, math operation dot mul, pass to value to this method, and this dot divide pass the value of a and 2.0. These two value stored in the a, and then we pass this value. Let's run this. Look, value of b is 4.0. So what happened here? Here we can't access this method, starting method, using the object. Here we can use the class name itself to access this method. So this is static method. Static members are associated with the class itself rather than individual objects. The static methods are called using class name. In fact, no object have been created for use. No object is created here. And static methods have several restrictions. What are those restrictions? let's methods. What are the restrictions? Static method. Number 1, they can only call other static methods. They can only call the other static methods. Number 2, they can only access static data. They can only access static data. And number 3, they cannot refer to this or super in any way. They cannot refer to this keyword and super keyword in any way. Okay, this is the restriction of the static method. So what we know, let's conclude it. We can access the static method using class name itself, no need to use the object, right? Math operation dot mul and pass the value, math operation dot divide. Thank you.